In this video, you're going to watch us take care of some of the problems we created by putting in these springs, by shortening this shackle, and fixing this hanger. Now, back in the day when I originally put these on, I stitched in a little weld here, 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 and here. I had some issues with the frame cracking in some areas, and I was paranoid that I'd see cracking here as well. I don't know if this was a benefit at the time, but now that I want to remove these, I wish I didn't. So we're going to go in here and just nip out these little welds here and here and here and get this removed. That one's broken.
Huh?
The top one's broken. The bottom one's breaking. We're getting somewhere. Why did I weld this in here, bud?
Huh?
Why did I weld this in here so long ago?
You welded it in there?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm paying the price for it.
Why did you weld it in there?
I don't know. There we go.
What?
Barely any damage to the frame. Nice. Very nice. No damage to the frame. Didn't grind or gouge into it anywhere, so that's perfect. Just got to do side two. Now this bolt is right seasoned in this bushing. We're going to try our best to save it. Let's see how it goes. I think that bolt's just turning with the inner shell. Let's try something else. Oh yeah, like butter. There we go. Now we got these pieces cleaned up, not all the way, but they're probably going to rust up a little bit when we do all this work. So when we're finalized and we're happy with everything, we'll get them sandblasted properly, primered and painted. But for now, we're just going to do our layout and see where we're going to make these holes, maybe add to this bracket a little bit. We got this all laid out here. We're going 1/2 inch up, 1 inch forward. This will give us a better shackle angle, as well as moving our suspension downward a little, which we want. We're just a little bit too high, I think. Now this puts us right on the edge here, and we're gonna have to add a little bit more material here. I'm gonna weld in here. Now I know what you're thinking, that's gonna not be strong enough. It's probably gonna crack, pull out, but we're gonna create more of a weld washer here and double up on this material and do a solid weld around it. This project's more about using what we have, not what we can buy, and if this works, we can always upgrade it in the future. We got these pieces drilled out with a hole saw on the drill press. We'll get them cut in half on the bandsaw, and these will be the pieces to extend our brackets right here.